Welcome to our channel. Today we how to optimize sales strategies with Zaxby's easy tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by identifying your target audience for Zaxby's products. Understand their preferences, habits, and pain points to tailor your sales strategies effectively. Next, analyze your current sales data to identify trends and opportunities. Look for popular menu items and peak sales times to optimize your offerings. Develop a unique selling proposition that highlights what sets Zaxby's apart from competitors. Focus on quality ingredients, customer service, and a unique dining experience. Create engaging promotional materials that reflect Zaxby's brand values and appeal to customers. Utilize social media channels to promote special deals and new menu items. Engage with customers through interactive posts, polls, and contests to build community. Train your sales team to effectively communicate Zaxby's values and product benefits. Equip them with knowledge about the menu and how to handle customer inquiries. Implement a loyalty program to encourage repeat business and reward loyal customers. Incorporate feedback mechanisms to gather insights from your customers about their experiences. Use surveys or comment cards to understand their preferences and areas for improvement. Leverage in-store promotions such as limited-time offers to incentivize purchases. Make sure these promotions are well advertised through multiple channels. Monitor your sales metrics consistently to assess the effectiveness of your strategies. Adjust your approach based on what the data shows regarding customer behavior and preferences. Collaborate with local events and community partners to increase brand visibility. By participating in community activities, create connections that encourage foot traffic to your locations. Finally, continuously seek to innovate your menu and services to stay relevant in the market. Adapt to changing customer preferences and emerging food trends for sustained growth. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.